Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this short tutorial, we're going to show you how you can request TOIL using only the Vacation Tracker app inside of Slack. It's important to note that if you haven't already enabled a time off in year policy for at least one of your leave types, your users will not be able to request TOIL. So do be sure to have that set up before following along. Once inside your Slack workspace, you actually have two ways you can request TOIL. The first one is to use the /vacation command, and once you hit enter, you will have a few options at your disposal, including requesting TOIL. Alternatively, you could just start chatting with the Vacation Tracker bot and describing your request. For example, if you want to request TOIL for last Saturday because I worked overtime, you will hit enter and then the bot will automatically put together your request. You do have the option to edit the request in case there is a change that needs to be made, and once you're happy with the request, you can hit send. This will automatically be sent to the user's approver, and if approved, it will be reflected in the user's balance. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn more about time off and year policies, be sure to check out our help desk center, which has tons of articles on the subject. And if you run into trouble when submitting a request on Slack, you can always reach out to our support team either via a chat or by sending them an email.